In Asana, you can make sure every project is completed on time and on budget. Get visibility into how different work streams are tracking across departments all in one place. And make sure every team has the resources they need to meet their goals. And now, AI is here to help. You can assign specific jobs to AI based on the way your company actually works. For example, maybe you want AI to help triage requests. So you ask it to gather context for your team, follow up if additional information is needed, and assign work to the right teammates. With AI set up your way, it can plug right in and take on the busy work, freeing up teams to focus on more strategic work. With the Asana work management platform, you can make sure everyone has the clarity on the work they need to do, so every project stays on track and your company can meet its goals. That's a smarter way to work.